In this video, I'll guide you through how to change your Microsoft Forms background so your form looks a bit more polished and personalized. Whether you're creating a survey for work, a quiz for school, or a simple registration form, updating the background is a quick way to make it feel more on brand and engaging for your audience. Let's start by opening your form in Microsoft Forms. Go ahead and sign in to your Microsoft account if you're not already logged in, then navigate to Microsoft Forms from your apps. On the main Forms page, you'll see a list of your existing forms and quizzes. Click on the form you want to customize to open it in editing mode. You'll know you're in the right place if you can see your questions, options, and the standard preview of how your form currently looks. Once your form is open, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Theme. This is the control center for changing how your form looks. Click on the Theme button, and a panel or gallery will appear, usually on the right-hand side of the screen, displaying different visual styles you can choose from. In this gallery, you'll find a variety of background themes and color options. Some themes include images or illustrations, while others are more minimal and focus on solid colors or simple patterns. Take a moment to scroll through and see what's available. If you're designing a form for a professional context, you might want to stick with clean, subtle colors. For something more fun or informal, feel free to choose one of the more colorful or playful themes. When you see a theme or color you like, click on it once. Microsoft Forms will immediately show you a live preview of how your form looks with that background applied. This makes it easy to test out a few different options. If the first one you pick doesn't quite match the tone you're going for, simply click on another theme to see how that looks instead. You can switch as many times as you like until you're happy with the result. As you're choosing a background, keep readability in mind. Make sure the text on your questions and answer choices stands out clearly against the background. If the text feels hard to read, try a lighter or darker option, or move away from busy images and go for a solid or softer color. This is especially important if a lot of people will be filling out your form on mobile devices where the screen is smaller. Once you've found a background theme or color that you're satisfied with, that's all you need to do. The theme is automatically applied to your form and the background is updated right away, and you don't have to click a separate save button for the theme. Any changes you make here are stored as part of the form design. To double check how everything looks for respondents, you can use the preview option at the top of the page. This lets you see the form exactly as your audience will see it with the new background in place. If everything looks good and the text is clear and easy to read, your updated design is ready to share.